Ndewono. You're welcome to today's learning episode with Onyenkuzi Ihuoma. And we are going to be learning words that are referred to in English as palindromes. And in English, palindromic words are words that are still the same, they maintain the same meaning when spelled forwards or backwards. In Igbo language, not much of those words exist due to the fact that Igbo language is tonal in nature. Even though they will be spelled the same way, the same letters, but in pronunciation, the tone might vary. Examples of those perfect palindromic words in Igbo language is isi. Isi is head. If it's spelled E-C-E, isi. Spelling it backwards also gives us the same tone and the same letter. E-C-E, isi. And also the word ele. E-li-e, ele. When it is spelled forward and backwards, it still maintains the same letters and the same tone. The same word, udu. U-D-U, udu. Spelled forward and backward, it still maintains the same letters and the same tone. So these are perfect palindromic words in Igbo language. Aka. A-ki-a. Aka. Spelled forward and also spelled backwards maintains the same letter. And also the word omo. O-me-o. Omo is spelled forward and backwards, still maintaining the same letter and the same sound. Ala. A-li-a. Ala. Spelled the same way, pronounced the same way, forwards and backwards. There are so more examples of palindromic words in Igbo. These are examples to help you find out more. Now, which other palindromic words in Igbo language do you know? Please write in the comment section. Thank you for joining today's class. I hope you've learned something today. Kim Sia.